Oh, did? Can you open it?
Please tell me it's not dead.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Come here.
It's in charge of the batteries and use the last, right?
I don't remember.
I know, but you know what? You get to open this.
Switch
Yes, you do.
spots.
You get to open this. Yes! Let's do it. Here, can you
He's
try
like,
this?
finally I can open this.
You're supposed to let it go. There you go.
Back to Spencer.
Put it on his, in his ear.
Alex, honey, go see.
Alex, what's this?
It's just like your birthday.
Who got the other one?
Yay, yay.
Oh, Alex, come here.
Alex!
For her, it's like frying pan with fire.
Here.
Use
Oh, okay.
You better open it.
There's no safe zone.
Yay!
His age is so fun.
I know.
I just
One
love
more
it.
year will be a whole lot different.
Yeah.
We're decorating the dog. The dog doesn't like it. Here you go. You're kind of delicate here.
Rip it up, honey.
What's in there?
There you're
What's
getting
in
my
there?
idea.
Oh.
For more interest. Here. Yes! Can I have it? Thank you.
Bring that to Lisa.
Oh, now since when do we pick up the tape paper we rip? I remember your telephone all over the floor. Yeah, who picks up paper? Oh. Here.
What's in there, Alex?
Down here.
I got a bow.
Present.
I got a
He
bow.
doesn't
I'm
get it.
happy. What's in here? What is that?
All right. Can I have that?
What'd you get?
Uh-oh.
Yes.
Yay!
Yay!
Hi,
Show
honey.
mommy.
Yes.
Look over. Look on this side.
What is it?
Is that going to help you read?
What is it?
Another one now.
I'm a bow man.
What's that?
Should we take turns?
You want to open one more? Say.
What's in there, Alex? Oh, thank you.
Oh, we're going to pass presents out now.
He likes that the most right now.